Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we want to set up FTP server from HQ and try to access it from the branch office. And this is our setup. We have a connectivity with the help of cloud setup. And this is our HQ office. And this is our branch office. So I've already configured this network. I can actually able to ping from branch office to these devices within headquarters office, and this is our FTP server. So from branch office, let me try to ping a server 192.168.1.10. So from branch office, I've been able to ping FTP server. I can ping any device here and get access. What we want to do today is to set up FTP server and see how we can handle the files directly from branch office. Now let's go to our FTP server. Normally you go to services and come here FTP server, FTP. The difference between FTP and maybe TFTP is authorization. We must set up a username and password for us to access FTP server. So my username will be Matosh and my password Matosh1. And with these credentials, I can write, read, delete, rename, and list, add. So these are our login credentials. And this is a directory. These are files within FTP server. We want to create a file from the branch office and see how we can upload it here. And we see it here after we upload. So now let's go to PC3. From PC3, I can ping FTP server. So I want to create a file. We come here to text editor. I want to open and confirm. We have only one file, sample file. So we want to create our file and upload it to FTP server. Open new. Let's write something on the file like hello, learn for tech, channel. So hello learn for tech channel members. So I want to save, and the name of the file I can call it learn for tech.txt. You can give it any name, but this is my name, learn for tech.txt. Let's open. Now we have a new file here, learn for tech.txt. Let's go to command prompt. Let's try to access FTP server. This is how we can access FTP server. FTP and the IP of the server 192.168.1.10. The username Matosh. This is the username we have set, and the password Matosh1. So we are on FTP server. We can do a help command. This is what we can do with the FTP server. We can delete file, get file, put file, quit, rename. So these functions, I've listed them here, and with the definition. For delete, you can delete a file. DR list directory contents. We have get to download. We have help, get help information, passive, toggle passive mode for data transfer. We have put, upload a file to the server, FWD, print working directory, quit, terminate the FTP session, and rename the file. So these are all the functions of FTP for the client. So since we want to upload a file, I can use this command upload. I can use put, and the file name is learn4tech dot. And before I upload, let me check the list of directory contents with gr. These are the contents within the directory of the FTP server from with BC3, and this is the directory files. What I want is to upload the learn4tech file, and after upload we'll see it here. So put, and the file name is learn4tech.txt. So it's good. We have already uploaded, and the size is 33 bytes. We can check our directory file dr. So now after we upload, you can see it here. At the same time, we can go to FTPServer. This is our file here. Before we didn't have this, but now after upload from PC3, from the branch office, now we have this file here. What I want to do now, I want to download the file to PC4. From PC4, let me ping the server ping 192.168.1.10. I can ping. Let me confirm if I already have the file open. I only have this file, sample file.txt. So I want to download learn4tech.txt. Now from command prompt, let me enter to FTP server, FTP 192.168.1.10. Username is Matosh, password Matosh1. So from in the FTP server, from here I have these commands, but I want this one, download the file. To download the file is get learn4tech.txt. Already uploaded. We can also check it here. We can come here to FTP to text editor. Open the files. Now, yes, now we have our file downloaded. So we can upload, download, delete. We can also rename the file. On the transfer mode, we can also rename a file. Currently, our file name is learn4tech.txt. We can rename with this command. Rename. The old file is learn4tech.txt, and our new name is learn4tech.training.txt. Now we have renamed the rename file successful. So we can check on the directory. So before our file name was learn4tech.txt, but now after rename, our file name is learn4tech.training.txt. We can just come here and see. Now our file name has changed. We can also delete. We can delete a file. Delete with this command. Delete file name is learn4tech.trainings. Is it correct? Learn4tech.trainings.txt. the file is deleted. Now we don't have the file because with this command we have deleted a file from the directory. We can just come here and confirm. When we refresh our directory, this file will go missing. As you can see now, we don't have that file. So I think we have covered most of the commands. We have this passive command, or passive mode is often used when the client is behind firewall or NAT devices, as it allows the client to establish data connection. Currently we don't have firewall, we are not behind any NAT, but when we behind firewalls which we have implemented some rules, we can use passive mode to bypass and get connectivity. We have this one CD is change directory. We have this one PWD, print working directory. So, and we have this one quit. When we want to terminate the session, we are currently on transfer mode, but we can terminate the session after we are done with our activities with the FTP server. We can just write quit. This is how FTP client can interact with the FTP server. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you. Welcome back.